Hello everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Thursday, March 9th, and tonight we are breaking Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmets. This here is a 3-box break, and we did random team sales. You can see on the far left, the Chargers, Los Angeles Chargers. We've already randomized the customers and the teams. We then alphabetized those customers so they could see who they had a bit easier, gave them a trading period. And I do believe we had one trade's already been entered. Here we go. We gonna pop your seal. Whoa. Yeah, well, you guys know what that is, don't you? Yeah, I'm sure you saw that. Sorry, didn't mean to do that like that. But here we go, folks. Well, that is a Paul Hornung, folks. Yes, sir. Yep. Had one of these myself, gave one of these to our boss a little while back, but there you go, folks. That is a Paul Hornung. That is your JSA. Going to be a Green Bay Packer hit, obviously. Who has a GB? It's going to be BM Winters. That's his second hit here tonight. Get BM on that. Move on to box 2 in our 3-boxer here. All right. Here you go, folks. Boom! It's a Falcon helmet. Wow, that's a Julio Jones, folks. That there is a nice hit, man. Nice sig on that, baby. There is your JSA numbers. Who has that, baby? I am Bob. I am Bob, bud. All right, here we go. This is the 3rd box. That's a pretty nice hit out of that, baby. Sort of surprised me there. All right, this is the 3rd box of our 3-box break. Right after this, we're going to be doing a 2-box of boom break. Boom! Wow, who is that? 25? Is that LaShawn? Is that a LaShawn McCoy? Yes, sir. That is a LaShawn McCoy Buffalo Bills mini, folks. There is your JSA number. Who has a Buffalo? New boot. All right. That is going to wrap up that 3-boxer of the Gold Rush mini helmets. It's going to be a Shady McCoy for New Boot. Thank you very much. You'll find me or Gatsby breaking all forms of memorabilia at breakers.tv 7 nights a week, starting about 8 p.m. Central. Look for us at Boom City Breaks. We'd appreciate a click on the follow button while there, and have a good night.